We are the official distributor for Jbom in Malaysia. It's the Jbom downpipe itself. It already gives some horsepower increase. Today, we got this new Jbom in, and we are the official distributor for Jbom in Malaysia. And you know what's so special? Why did we get this Jbom?
Okay, tell me about it.
Okay, so Jbom downpipes, it's plug and play, and the special part is it will enhance the sound, the performance without any tuning needed.
Are you sure? Are you confident?
Well, I don't know. This is our first set here. Let's try it on our car. To show proven result, I think we better go to the dyno shop, do a stock dyno before we fit this in.
Yes, let's do it.
Good idea?
Yes, good idea.
Let's go.
Show me.
Rise up the vote. Ladies involved.
Okay, we're done. So what do you think? We just did a power run, and the highest we got is 403 horsepower.
Only 403? I thought the M2C can run up to 422. I saw in Google.
Okay. So for the viewers, let me explain to you also, we're done. Normally when we Google, all the horsepower is on crank horsepower. On crank meaning is engine itself, what the engine can produce, what are the horsepower it can produce. So when we do a dyno run, it is actually with the car body, everything, tires on, and it's on wheel horsepower. So you see slightly lower, about 10 to 15%.
Because of the weight lah.
Yes, because of the weight it's carrying. So that's why you'll see difference. So actually, most of the time we'll check on wheel horsepower is the most accurate. So come on, let's go. We're gonna do the installation of Jbom downpipes, and then we're gonna do another power run to show if there's any difference.
Ladies involved. Rise up the vote.
So we just finished installing the downpipes, and we're heading to the dyno shop to see what improvements have been done after changing this downpipe. As one of the unique selling point for Jbom downpipes is that it doesn't require tuning, and it will not cause any check engine light. Let's see, I'm very curious, what are the results we can pull off with the new downpipes. Okay guys, so we arrived back in the dyno shop today, and I can't wait to see what are the horsepower after installing the downpipes. Alright guys, I wish Wildan is here to see this. So we just finished a dyno run, and now it's with the Jbom 100 cell cathode downpipe. On the red line you can see this was the stock when we did the other day before the downpipe. It was on 395 on wheel horsepower, and now it has gone up to 415 on wheel horsepower. Although the torque is slightly lesser because of back pressure, but that can be solved with tuning. So actually today I wanted to show is that with the Jbom downpipe itself, it already gives some horsepower increase. Okay guys, so that's it for today's video, and this is our first project with the Jbom downpipe, and it's with the 100 cell cathode downpipes. So yeah, there will be upcoming more of modifications video with Jbom downpipes, so stay tuned and make sure you like and subscribe to our Titan Auto House YouTube channel.